The President of Uganda.
Welcome to the formal opening of the Commonwealth Heads of Governments meeting.
The figures are shocking. Globally, nearly 1 in 3 women have been abused in their lifetime. In times of crisis, the numbers rise, as they have dramatically during the COVID pandemic. Across the Commonwealth, calls to the domestic violence helplines have increased by up to 500% over the past 2 years. Whether we are aware of it or not, we all know someone who has endured sexual or domestic abuse. We can therefore all be part of combating these heinous acts. Solutions. It is surely significant that every single member state has unanimously agreed to support the Commonwealth Says No More campaign and to implement initiatives to prevent domestic violence and sexual abuse.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.